In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link your partner on Flo App. Now let us just start. First, make sure that you've installed your Flo App and you've also updated it to its latest version. And if you have done that, just open it up. Now after you've opened it up, you will see the first initial page right here. I'll just cross this. Now this should be your initial page right here. Okay, there are too many pop-ups. Anyways, so after you do that, just go to your partner option right there and you will see the pairing code right here, and you can just tap on generating new code, and after you generate new code, just send pairing code. You can send it directly through your messages, or you can just send it via mail. You can send it using your social medias and whatnot. You can even copy its link and just send it to them directly. So that is how you do it. That is how you link your partner on your Flo App, guys. That is all for the video. Thank you for watching.